What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy, and it's your boy Mojo, aka Sugar Daddy.
Hello everyone, I am Anchal, the one who reads all the instructions.
So boring. But today, we are jumping into something that might look simple, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your sneakers and shoes in shape and structured.
Fly like a ladder, but the code is sexy. Suicide bombing like I'm straight out of Aspen. Lights, camera, action, I'm the main attraction. Call me heartbreaking like I'm sorry, Miss Jackson.
Here it is. So, Ancho, what does it do?
This is a SHOEGR Shapeit, our adjustable shoe tree that keeps your kicks in shape while you're cleaning, storing and even breaking them in.
And think of it as your sneakers personal bodyguard. और ये आपके शू की शेप मेंटेन करके रखेगा, क्रीजेस को बचाएगा and weird toe box sag से भी बचाएगा.
That's right.
That's right, and I love this product. Okay, so let us show you how we're gonna use it. Step 1 is you gotta loosen up the laces. Since we are loosening up the laces, we gotta unlock the Shapeit and adjust to our shoe size. Now we gotta put the front end towards the toe box. Very simple. Now all we gotta do is just lock it in and boom, it's solid. Alright, big difference, right? And even the removal is very easy. All you gotta do is snap it and slide it out. So when you should use the Shapeit?
Well, essentially every time you're not wearing your shoes. It can be done when you're storing your shoes, you have to break into a new pair of shoes. While cleaning your shoes, whether you're hand washing them or machine washing them, please make sure that you're using a Shapeit. Also, when you're traveling, it's super helpful, and most importantly and lastly, that if you've cleaned your shoes and you want to make them dry.
Exactly, and it is your everyday shake saver. And if you are really serious about your sneakers, this product is a must-have.
Use Shapeit for sneakers, trainers, canvas shoes, formal shoes and more. It fits most low and mid-top styles, also some high-top styles too.
It's a rapid question time.
First question.
Yeah.
Will Shapeit stretch my shoe?
No, it keeps you in the shape. It doesn't stretches it.
Can I leave it in long term?
Exactly. Yes, you can. And it is designed for storage only.
What size does it fit?
UK 6 to UK 11, fully adjustable.
Is it travel friendly?
Yeah, it is super lightweight and very durable, so you don't have to worry.
How do I clean them?
Oh, it's very simple. All you need is water, and if it doesn't work, you can always use SHOEGR Clean. So whether you are storing, scrubbing or styling, shape matters.
SHOEGR Shapeit is the simplest way to make it just right. We hope this video was informative to make the most of SHOEGR Shapeit.
And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to order the Shapeit to keep your sneakers and shoes in shape. Let's go!